Jennifer Mealy is currently with a group of pilgrims from the Diocese of Greensburg. They, along with Bishop Kulik, are traveling to Rome in the Italian countryside, walking in the footsteps of great saints and experiencing life as a pilgrim.
Pilgrimages remind us that we are people first and foremost on a journey. That journey is a journey through this life to eternity. And so when we make a pilgrimage, symbolically it reminds us of how we are on a daily pilgrimage through this world to the next. But pilgrimages also historically are ways in which we as a community of faith are able to go to holy places, places that have historical significance, maybe in the life of Christ or of the saints or the Blessed Mother.
We're very excited to be hosting a diocesan pilgrimage with Bishop Kulik to Rome. Our pilgrimage of hope will take us through central Italy. We will be journeying to Assisi, Orvieto, and of course the holy city of Rome. At each of these sites, we are experiencing life as a pilgrim.
For us as Catholics, making a pilgrimage to Rome is very important because we see Rome as the center, historically, of the Church's life. And so our pilgrimage to Rome is really an opportunity for us to go back to the very heart of the foundation of our Christian faith, to the center of our faith life, and to be renewed in our Catholic identity and to be uplifted by the beautiful, not only historic, but magnificent works of art and architecture. But even beyond that, most importantly, to walk in the footsteps of the apostles themselves, particularly Saints Peter and Paul. And so we go on a pilgrimage so that we can be reinvigorated, inspired, and renewed, so that a pilgrimage is not just going to someplace, but a pilgrimage is also returning home. And I think that's an important part of a pilgrimage, that we go and we are renewed and we bring with us back what has filled us with wonderful things like the grace of God so that we can then share it with our local community. So my hope is that our diocesan pilgrimage is an opportunity for us in this Jubilee year to recognize really our Catholic roots, to pay homage to this historic Jubilee year, but to go to the seat of Peter, to go to Rome, to go to the basilicas, to be renewed and reinvigorated and energized in our Catholic faith, and to bring that energy, enthusiasm, and zeal back home to share with all those we meet and to whom we minister.
Follow the Pilgrim's Journey each day on the Diocese of Greensburg's Facebook page and website.